In this video, we'll be going over the faculty testing instruction form. You should receive an email of the student's letters of accommodation. Be sure you and your student meet to discuss. There will be students who are eligible for testing accommodations. You will need to fill out the faculty testing instruction form on SAS Link. This is a single form that you will complete for each class where a student is eligible for testing accommodations. Log into SAS Link using your trainee credentials. On the left-hand side, you will see Alternative Testing underneath Views and Tools. Click on it to go to the Alternative Testing portal. It will take you to this page. At the top, it will say Specify Faculty Testing Instruction Form. It gives you a drop-down menu of your courses. Select the course you wish to fill out, then click Continue to Specify Faculty Testing Instruction Form. At the bottom of this page, it will say Proctoring Your Own Exams. This is an option if you are planning on proctoring your own exams, or if your course doesn't have any exams. Select the class you wish to apply this to. It will give you two options. I will proctor my own exams, or my class has no exams. Select the one that applies, then click Confirm. To the best of your knowledge, fill out the form to provide the ATC with a general guideline and qualifications for most, if not all, quizzes and exams that your student may take in your course. This is where you will fill out the instructions that can be applied to most exams, quizzes, etc. within this course. First, it will ask you what materials are allowed for tests. Select the ones that apply. Write the other class materials in the box if you don't see one as an option. The following questions will be also related to materials allowed for exams, such as if a student is allowed to use a calculator, if a Scantron is required, and if there's other materials that you will be providing. Submit your answers. Next, the form will ask specifically about exams that are on laptops and computers. The first question will ask what websites and/or programs students are allowed to use during the exam. Please provide which ones are allowed. The next question will ask you if there's any instructions or information the ATC should know when it comes to these websites or programs. This question will ask you what the student should do if they have a question or need clarification during the exam. Please specify on how they should proceed. This question will ask you on what kind of flexibility the student has when scheduling exams. Students should try to schedule their exams close to the original date and time. Of course, there are times when that is not an option. Please provide what kind of flexibility the student has. The last two questions are related to the delivery method. This question will ask you on how you as the instructor will be delivering the exam to the ATC. There is a feature on SAS Link where you can upload your exam through the instructor portal. Please select which method you plan on using. The last question will ask you on how you want a completed exam be delivered back to you. There is a feature on SAS Link where the ATC can actually upload the completed exam. Please specify on how you want the completed exam be returned to you. The next section will ask you on how much time the class has to complete each exam type. This does not include extended time accommodations. Write down the amount of time in minutes for each exam type. The last item will ask you to provide the best phone number to reach you. If you have any additional notes, please write them in the box. Review your faculty testing instruction form to make sure you answered all the questions and then click Submit once you are done. One of the best things you can do on SAS Link is the ability to copy an existing faculty instruction form and be able to apply it to multiple courses if the instructions are the same. That way, you don't have to fill out the same information multiple times. To do this, select the course that has an existing faculty testing instruction form. Underneath that, there will be a drop-down menu for the Copy To. Find a course that you would like to apply those same instructions. Once you have done that, all you have to do is just click Copy. You are able to go back into your testing instruction form if you have to make any changes. If you have any questions about the form or the alternative testing module, please contact the ATC.